My mother was a gardener, and she introduced all of us 7 kids to gardening when we grew up in East LA. So we did a lot of backyard gardening. And then we moved into the San Gabriel Valley and we started doing acres of gardening. Each individual gardener is different, believe it or not. And when we're all done, sometimes we'll have a big party down here at the shed and put stuff out there and everybody will trade. Onions, garlic, every kind of plant you could think of. It's very healthy. You're getting up, you're going up and down, and you're getting all kinds of exercise. So that's how we do it.